Welcome to our video on multiplying numbers below 100. Take an example 97 into 93. Here these numbers are nearest to 100. So we are taking 100 as reference number. By subtracting 3 from 100 we get 97. So write minus 3 below 97. By subtracting 7 from 100 we get 93. So write minus 7 below 93. Now subtract the numbers diagonally. Then we get 93 minus 3 is 90. 97 minus 7 is 90. So the difference is same. By multiplying 90 with reference number we get 9000. By multiplying 3 into 7 we get 21. By adding 9000 and 21 we get the final answer 9021. Multiplying numbers above 100. Take an example 105 into 103. Here these numbers are also nearest to 100. We are taking 100 as reference. By adding 5 to the 100 we get 105. So write plus 5 above 105 and plus 3 above 103. Add the numbers diagonally. Then we get 105 plus 3 is 108. 103 plus 5 is 108. So here also sum is same. By multiplying 108 with reference number we get 10,800. By multiplying 5 and 3 we get 15. So by adding these two numbers we get the final answer as 10,815. Multiply numbers above 10. Take an example 13 into 15. By adding 3 to the 10 we get 13. By adding 5 to the 10 we get 15. So write plus 3 and plus 5 above the numbers. Add the numbers diagonally. Then we get 13 plus 5 is 18. 15 plus 3 is 18. Here the sum is same. Multiplying 18 with reference number we get 180. Multiplying 3 into 5 we get 15. By adding 180 and 15 we get the final answer as 195. Multiply numbers below 10. Take an example 8 into 6. By subtracting 2 from 10 we get 8. By subtracting 4 from 10 we get 6. Subtract the numbers diagonally, then we get 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the difference is same. By multiplying 4 with a reference number we get 40. By multiplying 2 into 4 we get 8. By adding 40 and 8 we get 48. That is the final answer. Try to solve the above problems and write the answers in comment section below.